One of the best things about a snap is that it's small. It's small like an atom, and just as powerful. A single unit of joy, laughter, or friendship that can mean the world. A snap is in the moment. It's raw, spontaneous, and immediate in ways that texting or social media just isn't. A snap is communal by design. It's a joint effort, an inside joke, a language that only exists within the group chat. And as it turns out, sharing your excitement about Thailand, crying together, being held accountable for your workout, knowing where your friends are, editing yourself less, and saying what can't be said makes you feel more loved. So if you want to connect emotionally and right now, say it in a snap.
Snap.